Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, a movie queen in the lab show. Chapter 72. So here it is. Let's read the story. Tao Tao said, "Come on, what's the matter with you? Calling me here alone." Her recent popularity is really high. Well, this girl, is she getting jealous of Tao? If I had known you that I would also go to this track, I would have fried seaweed and then salt in to purify how good. Well, this girl, she's like a yin and yang. Now, finally, Suman, she was there. She was near on Tao Tao. Tao Tao said, "You called me here just to sneer." "Well, you're so boring," Tao Tao said to her. "Well, you have never doubted that the live broadcast that day was related to me." Well, it seems that this girl surely wanted to distract Tao Tao. Could it be that she was planning something again? Tao Tao, she was really unresponsive. What? So you did this? How are you listening? This is a question, the girl said to Tao Tao. But it seems that we don't know each other well. How could you know what will happen to me when I was in school? Tao Tao said again. Well, it seems that Tao Tao, she was learning. She know how to tease people. Although you're a little fat, but it's not completely broken. So let's barely count a good person with a little carefulness. Tao Tao said to her. Who wants you to evaluate? What what are you talking about? You're going to say, it's alright, I'm going to go. Tao Tao, she really wanted to go now, but this girl, she was holding her. It wasn't me, the girl said to Tao Tao. Well, it seems that she was telling the truth, but Tao Tao, do you think, can she really believe this? Well, it seems that Tao Tao said. She continued to chant, "Believe it or not, I just don't like being misunderstood." Well, that's what you think. That's why she came to Tao Tao to see if she can be forgiven. Or Tao Tao said to her, "I believe it." So it seems that Tao Tao, she's trusting this girl. Well, definitely, she's a tricky girl. I plan to get off the car because I'm going to film a movie. Hey, you haven't filmed a movie before, right? I'm the third female lead this time, and I haven't quite a few scenes. Wow, that was awesome. But Tao Tao, she become emotionless, and that, thank you. Well, it seems that the two of them are finally agreeing to be able to not meddle each other. Tao Tao said, "Why are you thanking me suddenly?" Well, Tao Tao, she got surprised about this. It seems that there's something wrong with her. Thanks for the sandwich, and also thanks for your kindness. Well, this girl, he knows how to treat people clearly, and it really makes sense. She is not totally a bad person, but she has a person who has a highest ego. That's all. I'm still ambitious. Well, finally, she was going to leave her alone. I still want to be strong and win, but this time, I want to go on my own way, the girl said to her. Finally, she looks really confident on herself. Probably, she has some guts now. Now, for Tao Tao also, she believes that she went her own way. I also found my own path, Tao Tao said to herself. Well, let's solve. Tao Tao, she can really happy and also she can really find her own path. When she look on the side, it seems that there's a person on there. Well, it turns out it was Suman who's waiting for her. Tao Tao, the filming is about to start. The production team asked me to call you. Well, Suman, she seems to be rattled on something. Could it be that she's the person who's asking this girl to come after her and watching her from overtime? Tato said, "Okay, thanks." It seems that there's still an awkwardness between the two of them. Now, Suman, she becomes speechless. Probably, she really want to ask something, but of course, she knows that. She needs more times for this. What? Want to ask me about Wang Wangan just said to me, well, Tao Tao said to Suman. Well, of course, Suman. She really wanted to know if she's been sold off. Probably, she's the one person who keeps run to tell about Tao Tao all the time. I want to ask, but it's your freedom to tell me or not. Suman said to Tao Tao. Well, Tao Tao said to her, then I won't say it. Did Sister Ye tell you how I plan to deal with the anti-fan issue? No, Tao Tao, she's been curious and asking her, no, you don't want me to get involved in your affairs. So, Tao Tao said, I want to sue the end. Well, it seems that she really want to tell her, but also, she want to restrain herself. Well, that must be, it's really hard for her. Thought he won't relent it. Someone said to Tao Tao, well, let's see. They all shouted, Peach, Peach, but I'm not soft fish that can be easily squeezed. Tao Tao said to herself, it really makes sense, right? Now, Tao Tao, she looks really angry and said, if you make me angry, you will pay the price. Now, after hearing that, of course, Suman, it's like someone spears on hers. Turns out Tao Tao, she's really a scary person when she's getting angry, especially right now. Suman can see this. You can calm down, Suman said to Tao Tao, but seeing Chan Chan of Tao Tao, she suddenly ran away to see Chan Chan. Well, leaving Suman alone, and also she was giving herself in silence so Tao Tao will never get angry on hers. Let's see. Are you still angry with sister? I calmed down a long time ago. Now I'm competing with myself. But as long as you know it, I believe in you. Chan Chan said to her. By the way, the staff has revealed that the new rules to us, saying that the show is coming to an end, and we have to give the guests and the audience the exciting moment. This time, the recording time is 3 days and 2 nights, and each pair guest needs to spend night in the same room. Well, of course, guests can also choose the cafe next door, but looking at Tao Tao, it seems that she was thinking something. Could it be that her partner for today is Suman? Well, what a lucky girl she is. But seeing Suman around, Tao Tao is obviously still mad at me. Will she be willing to sleep with me tonight? Well, that's a good point. It seems that there's a lot of things need to consider. And analyze a poll, you must not sit still and wait for the death. Now, Tao Tao, I know she will never do that to Suman, but let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!